Tree stand maintenance should be high on your post-season to-do list. Follow these 6 steps to ensure your stands are in good shape for the coming season. If possible, do your work in a heated area, allowing stands and straps to fully thaw and dry out. Comfort is key to success. Replace any worn seat cushions. We recommend replacing your seats every 2 years, regardless of wear and tear. Check straps for nicks and popped seams. If you find the slightest sign of wear on a strap, cut the strap into pieces and toss it. We also recommend replacing straps every 2 years, regardless of wear and tear. Inspect the hardware and replace rusty, worn-out nuts and bolts with new ones. Inspect cables on climbing stands and lock-ons for wear. Small nicks can be repaired with shrink tubing. If damage on climber cables is extensive, order a replacement set from the manufacturer. Likewise, inspect welds for cracks or other issues and contact the manufacturer for advice on replacement or repairs. A little tree stand due diligence now can lead to a safer and more successful season next fall, and keep your stands in proper working order for many years to come.